let's look at this problem together. 7 minus 7 squared divided by 7 times 7 plus 7. If you post this online, you get three different answers: 0, 7, and negative 49. And if you got one of this, don't worry. You're definitely not alone. Lots of people around you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why these answers are wrong and how to get the correct answer every single time by using the proper order of operation. Most people actually start off strong. They look inside the parentheses to solve 7 squared, which is 49. Then they divide 7, which is 7. But then once they get to this point, this is where a lot of people start making mistakes. So let's look at mistake number 1. The first mistake that people make is grouping things that shouldn't be grouped. People try to clean up the edges by doing 7 minus 7 and then 7 plus 7. So 7 minus 7 is 0 and 7 plus 7 is 14. And then once they get to this point, they multiply it and they get 0. So even though it looks nice, it looks clean, math isn't necessarily about making things look clean. It's about following the right order of operation. Another mistake that people make is just going straight and doing it from left to right. So they go and do 7 minus 7 first, which is 0. And then they do a multiplication, which is 0 times 7, which is 0. And then they add and they get 7. The problem here is that they basically went and did left to right first without following the rank, because rank matters. Another mistake that I see people make is they just jump straight to multiplication and they do multiplication first, which is not incorrect. So 7 times 7 is 49. But then when they get to this point, they make the mistake of doing addition first, and then they do 49 plus 7 and they get 56. And then they do subtraction and get negative 49. This answer is the closest to being correct, but unfortunately it's wrong because they did not follow the order of operation correctly. So what's actually going on? All of the mistakes that I showed y'all earlier come down to one thing, and it's ignoring the order of operation. And this is where PEMDAS, BEDMAS, or BODMAS come in. It's a different name, but it's the same idea. So think of it like a ranking system. Parentheses or brackets have the highest rank in the system, followed by exponents and order, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Note that addition and subtraction is left to right, as well as multiplication and division, which means that division does not come before multiplication and multiplication does not come before division. We just do it from left to right, whichever one we see first. Now let's do this problem the right way. So we're going to go inside the parentheses first, since that's the thing with the highest order. And inside the parentheses, we're going to do exponent first because that's the thing with the next rank. And then after, we're going to do division and we're going to get 7. And now we're going to do what's the highest, multiplication and division. So it's going to be 49 plus 7. And now at this point, we have addition and subtraction, which goes from left to right. So we're going to do 7 minus 49 first, and we're going to get negative 42. And then we're going to add 7 to that, and we're going to get negative 35. This is the correct answer. So now you know exactly what went wrong, and more importantly, you won't make that same mistake again on an exam or whenever someone posts an order of operation problem on Facebook. You'll be one of the few people to comment the right answer. Okay, before you leave, remember that this is only one stop on our complete math journey from algebra to calculus. If you're prepping for finals or just tired of being confused about matrices, equations, hit that subscribe button right now, because our next video is actually going to cover substitution, elimination, and Gaussian elimination. We're finishing this math journey together, and I don't want you missing a single lesson. Also, drop your final answer in the comments. Did you originally get 0, 7, or -49, or did you already know it was -35? Let me know below. I read every single comment. And if this video finally made PEMDAS click, smash that like button into extension so other students can find this guide too. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!